Hello, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing today? I hope you're doing good. I'm doing okay. I've been working on some Mother's Day cards, and you know it's only a month away, and being creative and crafters like we are, we have some time to get things together and make some real pretty Mother's Day cards. I also have Grandmother's Day cards. So I've only got a few to show you, but then I have the collection where I made these from that's on my Etsy shop. And there's quite a few things for you to choose from this one collection. So I thought I would show to you what I've done. First off, I've made easel cards, and I've showed you how to do that. But I will do this one first. This is a little different for me. Let's see, bring it down a little closer. Yeah, that looks all right. This is more like I thought of, I wanted to do some kind of something, a memory card. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's called that. It's just what I'm calling it. And I want to make it like a journal and put some stuff in it that would be nice. Now, this is part of the collection that I have. It's the Mother's Day collection that's new in my shop. And what I've done here is I've printed this print twice, and then I popped it out with some double-sided foam tape. And I used lace and some appliques, and on the back I used lace. And I made a tassel with sari silk bow. And when you open it, now this is about I think it's 6.5 by 6. I wanted it a little longer, but the prints are 6 by 6. Okay, so when you open it, I put this flap in here because I thought it would be nice. You could put a note or something to your mother or to your grandmother. Let me take this tag out and let me do that back here too. Okay, or just some kind of memory. Even you could tape a photo in there. I did put a pocket on there to begin with, but the pocket doesn't stick on the washi tape too well. It kept popping off, and I said, well, we can't have that. So there's no pockets on there. But in here, now this is part of the collection as well, and I ripped it apart. Let me see if I have it. Okay, this is the original print. It has some white up here and some lace. So what I did is I ripped it along here and at the bottom. I did rip it at the side a little bit. And then I took the hearts and I just cut them out. 2 of them. Oh no, actually I did 3. But I only put lace behind 2 of them. I put and actually I made a mistake because over here is another print with this heart is from this print. And this heart is from this heart. And I mixed them up. So you could do what you want. And I put a little lace here. And so I made this into a pocket because actually I took this whole piece and I cut it like that. And then I glued the side and the bottom. And then it's a pocket now. And you could put a picture in there. You could put a little note in there, a memory in there. You could decorate it up any way you want. You could ink it up more. I inked it along the edges. And then I added some coffee dyed pages to the whole, you know, it was just a cover. And you could open it up and see both sides, but I wanted to have something inside as well. So I made some pages with coffee making, and this is another print that's in the collection, and I made it into my frame here. I made it into a pocket so you could store mementos or pictures. And then on here I used one of my stamps and I inked it and coffee dyed it. And this is the center, and I did the same thing. And then this is another print that's in the collection, and I turned that into a pocket as well. Oh, something was gluing. Okay. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So actually 12 pages, which I didn't want to make it into a total journal because it's more of a memory card is what I was thinking. And I added this pretty lace at the bottom on both sides so that when you close it, I think it's jeepers, I'm having trouble today. I'm going to have to fix that now. You can see it, and I think it's really pretty hanging there like that. So this side has the opening as well, the flap. And then this side, I made a pocket. I cut this out. I printed it out, and then I just cut it on an angle, and then I glued it in here. And then I just decorated up here one of the hearts, put the lace on it, and put the heart on top. So I just put these tags in here so you could see that these are pockets. Plus there's 2 more pockets in here, and a lot of writing space. And yeah, that's it, really. I'm gonna have to redo that because this is for sale in my Etsy shop, and I think it's really pretty. What was I gonna do? Let's see. I have grandmother banners. I call them banners. I don't know what they really are. Let's see. Happy Grandmother's Day. Let me see. Over here, this is what I'll show you. This is the Happy Mother's Day, and this print is in the collection, and this is it. I've put it into this. You cut this out, and then the background page is there. The whole thing is 6 by 6. And you can put this on there and pop it up if you want to, and decorate it if you want to, or just leave it flat like that. And it stands up, and you probably can't see it, and then it says Happy Grandmother's Day. So you've got Happy Mother's Day, and then Happy Grandmother's Day. A lot of women are grandmothers and mothers, and I thought that that would be appropriate. You know, it could be from you and your children, to your mom, and to your grandmother. And so I like that. And if you like kitties, that's a nice picture. And I also have that without it being in. Let's see, where is it? I have a couple of the kitty ones. I like the kitties, and I have a couple dogs. Of course, I'd have to have dogs. And they're I'll get to them. I apologize. Been all messed up all day. I probably shouldn't even do a video. I'm so messed up. It happens sometimes. Okay, so this is cut out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. You just cut it in half, and there's a certain way to fold it. And I've done a tutorial on it, and I'm going to leave a link in the video below and the timestamp so that you can start right at the tutorial, because it was in one of my Easter videos, and I'm sure you don't care to hear another Easter video because that's done with. Anyways, we'll get to the other stuff, but here's another one that I made, and this just says Happy Mother's Day, and I popped it out so it's 3D, and I put this humongous flower there because this can stand up and be displayed. I love easel cards because you can display them. They're really pretty, and people love them. Women especially just love them. I make them for all my friends for birthdays and holidays, and they just love the cards. And here is Hugs and Kisses, and this is included in the collection. Here I've just cut it out. I cut out around the leaves and the roses, and then I added glitter. And the background papers are included as well, and I did a lot of ripping. I had fun doing ripping. I love to rip paper. So what this one is, I'm pretty sure I printed it out. And if I didn't, I'm going to slap myself. I know I did. And I'll find it when I'm not looking for it. Of course. Oh, maybe I didn't. I didn't. Okay. Well, I'm sorry. Okay. So anyways, these are the 2 easel cards. This one is strictly Mother's Day. This one is Mother's Day and Grandmother's Day. And this one is a memory well, card, journal, photo album, whatever you want to call it. I think it's just a nice memorabilia that someone would really enjoy. And if you don't like the tassels, I just sewed it on. You can clip the threads and take it off. I wasn't sure if I should put a tassel on it or not, but I played around with it and did it anyways. So let me show you the rest of the collection. I don't have everything here, but I have a lot of stuff here to show you. This is a frame that you can use like the other one for cards, like the other ones. These are background images that, now see this image, is it the same? Yeah. Turn it around here. Okay. You can see this is included in the collection with the bears in there. It says Happy Mother's Day, and also blank, so that if you wanted to do your own thing, you could. And this fits right on here, and you could pop it up and make it a beautiful card, put some lace behind it, put some real buttons on there, and turn it into an easel card. Because what I did do, I would suggest using a solid 6x12 paper. But what I did do is I included papers that are in the backgrounds, the colors that are in the backgrounds. I didn't print them all out, but you have some browns and tans and peach. These all go in the browns. And then I also did a plain light tan for writing, you know, kind of like a coffee dyed paper, but it's printable. And you can rip them up like I did on mine and just decorate around, you know, use your plain paper for the bottom, and then just decorate, or use the paper like this and decorate around. There's just so much you can do, and it's really fun. I do have a lot of fun. So you could do that, and then rip some of this peach paper, peach dotted paper, and put it in between or whatever. These are all 6x6. So if you wanted to just use them as the front, that's what I did, you can. And if you want to use them as the bottom, you have a plain piece of paper and you like one of these, and you can use it at the bottom of your card or whatever it is you're going to make. Okay. And I already showed you these. Okay. So here is a lot of the, I call them banners, because that's how I made them, as banners. And I'm going to tell you how many, because I did not print them all out. There are 8 of these 6x6 ones. There are 12, wait a minute. No, there are 8 that are like this that already have the design on them. So you get 8 different ones that are already there for you. Like I put this on this print, and I thought I I don't know. Anyways, it's already on a print. It's not 6x6. It's so that you can put it on a 6x6. So it's like 4.5, maybe 5. I did a couple of them. I think this one is probably 4.5. You could just put it on, definitely 4.5. You can, this is 6, this is definitely 5. All right, so you can just put them on. There's 8 of them that I've already designed. You'll see them if you want to check it out in my Etsy shop. You'll see them. I'll have them all up there. There's 18 of these different banners, and they are fun to play with. I've got a dog mom. It doesn't say Happy Mother's Day. It says Mom, but there's a lot of other Happy Mother's Day that are plain that you can add to a card that says something like Mom on it. And I've got kitty cats. I love that one. That one. And you got Hugs and Kisses and Grandmother. I've got teddy bears and kitty cats. I already said that. And dogs. So you've got them covered as far as that goes. And then you have, of these papers, you have 12. And you have 12 different papers like this that are for the background. Okay, I didn't print them all out. I will use them, guarantee you I'll use them on some other projects. So, let's see. And I love these, just these plain, these are so pretty. I loved them. I did them all shabby chic, and I enjoyed doing them. They were fun to see how they turn out. Okay, so here's what we got. We've got 18 of these, different ones of these, and then of the background, just paper that goes with everything. You've got 12 of those. And for these they're decorative, but they don't have anything on them. Like this one I put on that one. Okay, but these are plain. I consider them plain. You have 11 of them. You have 8 of these that are already decorated for you. So that covers that. And you can make, if you're a card maker, you got a lot to work with, a lot of choices. I like choices, so I do a lot of things. I love these. They're so cool. You can look at them and do so many different things. And I didn't print out any blue. I guess I printed out all the brown and the peaches. But they're so easy to work with. And for a journal, they'd be great, too, for a journal. So anyways, well, so here we go. We got this one, Hugs and Kisses. This one, Happy Mother's Day, Happy Grandmother's Day. And a memory card journal type thing, whatever you want to call it. So thank you for stopping by. I hope you like this video. I know it wasn't perfect. I wasn't going to do a video today. I probably shouldn't have. But thank you for stopping by anyways and putting up with me. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And please check out the collection. It's the only Mother's Day collection I have in the shop, and it's brand new. And I hope you will come back and visit me again. And I will see you in the next video.